In this video, I'll teach you how to use Google Font in your React app while using the Tailwind CSS version 4. On my screen, I have a basic React app, and to save you some time, I have already gone ahead to install the Tailwind CSS version 4. In my app.gxs file, I have a basic div as well as an age one. I have already applied some styles so that they look good. In my terminal, I'll simply run npm run dev to get our website up and running. Once our website is loaded up, the text we have is hello, this is how to change your fonts. Now, to use Google Fonts, we first of all have to search for Google Fonts. We go to the website, the very first link here, and once the website is up, what we would do is that we'll search for the font we want to use, and in this project I'll be using Syne, S-Y-N-E. Once that's loaded up, we'll click on get font and we'll use the embed code. We are going to be using the link tags for this particular project, so we'll copy the code over here, and back in VS Code we'll locate our index.html file, and right underneath our title tag in the head we'll paste the link tags. Let me quickly format the document so that it looks pretty. Very well. Once we add these link tags to our index.html, the fonts are now available in our app. To use these fonts, we simply have to go into the CSS file where we imported our Tailwind CSS. I went over this in the video on how to install Tailwind CSS version 4. Now, the very thing we'll do is to first of all use our @theme rule. Inside our theme, to create any utility class that will be applied to the font, we first of all have to prefix the class name by ;font, and we'll separate it again with a hyphen. Then we can now bring the font name, which we would call Syne. Now, for specifying the font family, we can find this in our Google Fonts. So, to specify the font family, we can see that we have it right here, Syne Serif. We'll simply copy that, and back in VS Code, we'll paste it here. Once this is completed, we can now use the font in our app.jsx file. To use the font in our app.jsx file, we simply have to add this utility class here inside our styles, just like this, font Syne, and boom, we have the change over there. Without it, Ctrl+Z, we see that the font is regular. Pay particular attention to the G, and when I add it, you would see that the font has been applied. So that's how to use Google Font in your React app using Tailwind CSS. Remember to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, subscribe for more valuable content. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.